a group of our executive got together, and what they decided was they really wanted to create an initiative that would focus on our people and focus on their lifelong education while they worked with us. And so the very first thing that I did was to think about this one group of people we have in our organisation. They come in at entry level, they work in a really important part of our organisation as patient facing and processing all of the samples prior to them being tested. And those people just did not have access to an NZQA qualification. They did an industry exam, but it wasn't portable or transportable, to another role within the medical laboratory science field.
I mean, Heather was the person who went to NZQA and wanted to know who was able to provide a qualification. So she came to us, and then we started a relationship solely through Heather, and that just grew. And it was that mix of people really bringing together the strengths that we had there that engaged the program so well.
We just collaborated to create the bones of what you see now in terms of this specially customised diploma for medical laboratory science workers. And I think, as it went forward, there were a lot of other benefits. Like ARA was prepared to put people, the right people, into roles to work alongside Awanui. I was part of that. There were other people, with lots of subject matter experts. And so both organisations were committed to resourcing and continuing to resource a project that was very, very important to both. We're always focused on what do the students need, is the program delivering what the industry needs. It's just been absolutely fabulous.
It's a team that are really invested in the outcome, and so it's they understand the partnership. They've worked for a long time with Awanui. They actually understand that what we're doing is something a bit special. And so this is a group of people that, sure, they have the requisite skills and expertise. I mean, that's kind of a given. But they really genuinely care about, getting the best outcomes, doing the right thing for these learners. So they're a remarkable group of people.
They understand that we work full-time in a very busy industry, and studying on top of that is not always easy to fit in with life, and their support was amazing. Always there, always open to communicate if you had any problems.
We're an interactive team, so we talk to each other, and the tutors are familiar with the content, and then we can bounce ideas off each other, go back to the teaching and learning team and question how that assessment worked. Did it work? Did we get the right outcomes? So we're constantly looking for proof of the pudding, really. Does it work? Is it delivering what they want it to? And then acting on that.
It has been delivered in a way that it's been bite-sized pieces of learning, all of the same experiences that you get in a classroom where, you've got different types of interactions, for all sorts of learning styles. It's been just an amazing piece of work that's really helped our students feel part of this organisation.
It's an exciting sort of model of what things could be, how they might be. What does genuine at-work learning look like? It's a bit dangerous actually, because we've done such a good job of it.
11 cohorts have graduated with this program, and so it's just built this amazing reputation. Our students feel like it offers them the science that they need in order to be able to do their job well. It offers them the educational recognition. They're doing really very extensive training on the job. They've got a lot of technical skills that they need to learn. But on the other hand, learning the science that goes with that and actually getting that NZQA qualification. And it's just given them that sense of value, that what they're doing is actually meaningful.
It's triggered a light in some of those learners that are now thinking bigger and better and going on and bringing things to their lives they never thought possible.
They feel like now they've got on a pathway where if they want to continue into medical laboratory science at a higher level, they can, because they've got the level 5 diploma. Yeah, it's just been of amazing benefit for them.